Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is me, Shay's Creations, and I am up making a frugal meal for us seniors because we don't always want to take out a bag of beans and put the crock pot on the counter. So today is going to be open the can, dump, drop, heat, boom. Yes, boys and girls. So I have my 2 cans of pinto beans. And I actually wanted some rice today. Now, I do rinse off some of the liquid in my beans, but not all. Not all. You want to know why? Because it gives the pot some type of richness, especially when I'm going to add rice to it. But this is not going to be rice anyway. And I was researching, and the bottom of the can is actually beneficial for some reason. What reason? I don't know. So I'm gonna dump in my next can that I partially rinsed. Uh-oh, we don't want to simmer up too much. And I'm making 2 cans because I'm gonna eat off of this. I want what's in the bottom of the pot. And then I'm going to chop up some sausage and drop it in my beans. This is Asian. I went to the Asian store and I picked up some sausage, so I don't know what's in it, but it's delicious. Mmm, 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 mmm. I'm going back to get me some more of this sausage. This sausage is so much better than banquet sausage. Ooh. Mm-mm. I went to a store called H Mart. They actually have a Chinese place on the inside of the store. So since they have ample parking, I might treat myself to a meal there one day. And that would be nice. I'm gonna add a small onion, little onion. Really can't peel an onion when your hands are wet. It is about maybe 10 a.m. and this is my breakfast. When I start my day with protein like this, beans and things, it gives me a lot of energy, and I suffer greatly with exhaustion. I felt so bad the other night because I was supposed to uh, have company, and I needed help moving some stuff around in here, and I wasn't awake to open the door after the person then came 2 hours on a train to get here. I was like, ooh, I felt so bad. I try to wash a little bit, as I cook, so I'm so thankful that some of y'all already know that. Because sometimes my hands be all busy and I forget. I'm putting in some butter. I'm going to turn up the fire just a little bit to get a bubble. And I'm putting in just a few shakes of Goya just to give the, not so, you know what I mean, right, boys and girls? Just a small shake, just to add a little boom, boom, boom to the pot. Now, this is going to simmer, and I'm going to wipe down some surfaces and things. Now the pot is bubbling up so nicely. Woo, that smells delicious. Mmm. And you can see it has a nice thick sauce. That's because I kept some of what was in the can, and I'm gonna let the onions and everything season down. It's gonna get so nice, and like I did say, it's like 10 a.m. so this is basically my breakfast. I am not hungry right now, so I'm just gonna let my pot simmer because I like my beans to be flavorful, which means whatever's in the liquid, I need it inside my beans. So I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna turn it down to low because it already did a boil. The beans are already cooked, so I just need the seasoning. But you know what? Why don't I at least taste my damn pot, boys and girls? Come on now. That's right. I should at least taste my pot. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Oh, the juice. Mmm. Oh my goodness gracious. I added just the right amount of Goya. Oh, wow. I'm not sure, but I read somewhere you can thicken the pot with flour to beans and stuff like that. Coral's going to let me know that. Go, Coral! Coral's going to let me know that one. So I'm going to leave this on the stove here. And then, hopefully, I don't heat up the place. But I'm gonna put two potatoes in the oven. 2 baked potatoes on 400, and that will be in there for like 10 minutes. And I did find out yesterday that I could put my potatoes in the microwave, but the blessing of putting them in the oven is I get to walk away from the kitchen for a few minutes. I have something wrong with my foot. I don't know what, but I digress. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel. I will come to you soon with some more low income meals. And I want to say, you don't have to be low income to make a meal like this. All you have to do is be loving of yourself to know that you want to put something of substance in your stomach. And I don't want anyone to get all, all that barbulated stuff because it came out of a can. Honey, it is time to stop with all that stuff and figure out how your food is going to last, how you're going to put something on your stomach, and how you're going to feel like you actually ate. I know the difference. I've been there. I used to eat at the soup kitchen. I used to eat basically eggs and ketchup for like 7 days. I know what it is to starve. This here is a wholesome meal, low income or not, frugal or not. Amen. Bye bye.